To log in, enter email ID and password. This will take you to the next page on e2eHiring Recruit portal. On left hand side, you will see all the features that are available in e2eHiring Recruit portal. Please note that some of the features shown in the video are locked and will be available in paid subscription. To publish the job, you need to complete the account section. Account section is mainly designed for employer branding. All the information added in the account section will be available on public job portal. Thus, please make sure that you are adding the information correctly and accurately. To add the information, click on pencil icon. Fill in all the information such as company website, logo, detailed information like tagline, company description, cover photo, location of the company, and life section. Life is yet another section where you can showcase the life in your company. You can add sections such as news, life at your company, awards and recognition, message from CEO, how it is to work in your company in life section. Once added, you can verify the information by visiting www.e2ehiring.com/job. Visit partner section, click on name of your company and verify all the information and how is it visible onto public portal. In case you want to make any changes, go back to the account and click on edit and change the information that you want to change. Once verified, now you can add a different users for e2eHiring Recruit portal. Currently in free module, you can add up to 3 users in free job posting. Those are company admin, HR manager, and interviewer. Company admin will have access to everything in the portal. HR manager have access to HR related activities such as creating job, sending invitation, and taking applicants' candidature decision. Interviewer can evaluate the candidate and give comments. To add user, click on Add User. Enter mandatory details such as first name, last name, number, email ID, and select the role. As soon as you click on Add User, the user will receive an email with activation link where he or she can set up their own password to log in onto e2eHiring Recruit portal. Once user is added, you are now free to create a job. To publish the job, click on Jobs. Click on Add Job, New Job. Select Account. Copy and paste the job description. Before creating a job, make sure you have all the information handy. You can edit the job using different edits option available at the top of editor. Add round. Please note that it is mandatory to add at least one round in order to publish the job on public portal. Click on Next. Fill in other mandatory details required for the job such as job title, skills, and work preference, education detail, etc. Once you fill in all the information, click on Create Job. Once job is created, you will be able to see all the published job onto job page. You can verify the published job on job section of e2eHiring job portal. To view candidate pipeline, click on View Candidate, where you will get all the details about the candidate, including their contact details and resume. You can change the status of the candidate by clicking on the Review button. You can change the status. You can also use e2eHiring applicant tracking system to manage the hiring pipeline. You can select the candidate from e2eHiring candidate database. To use applicant tracking system and candidate database, click on Candidates, where you will have two options. Under My Organization, you will get all the candidates who have applied for your job. Under e2eHiring is a public database, where you can fetch the suitable candidate into My Organization and put them into Matching Jobs hiring pipeline. To put the candidate into Matching Jobs hiring pipelines from public database, click on Add to ATS. Once clicked on Add to ATS, the candidate will be visible under My Organization. You can add this candidate into hiring pipeline by clicking on Add to Prospect and selecting the suitable jobs and assign. Once assigned, the candidate will be added as a prospect to the potential job. You can reduce the hurdle of finding a suitable candidate using filter option given on the left hand side. To use filters, click on Search, apply required filter. Once filter is added, you can search. Here you will get all the candidates for applied filter. Now you can add the candidate as a prospect or you can add the candidate to My Organization. You can also mandate the candidate database using e2eHiring recruit portal. You can add candidate using add candidate option and clicking on single upload. You can simply drag and drop the resume and system will automatically pass all the information about the candidate and candidate will be visible onto the candidate portal. Alternatively, you can download the CSV file and drag and drop the CSV file. All the details of the candidate will be fetched automatically and visible into the candidate database. Last but not the least, you can do a bulk upload. You can add more than 2 to 3 resume into the bulk upload. Information will be automatically passed and the candidate will be visible under My Organization. You can also check the candidate's details or you can track the candidate details by clicking on the name, where you get the details such as resume and contact information, summary about the candidate, profile of a candidate, offer letter, history, and notes. All this information you can track using the applicant tracking system of e2eHiring. You can also get the benefited by the dashboard to track the entire process that is happening in e2eHiring. You can check published job, a status of each job, whether it is closed, open, or you are hiring. You can check number of candidate hired, number of opening, and total hired count. You can also check the management dashboard. To check the management dashboard, you can go through our paid services. This is it. Thank you for trusting e2eHiring with your hiring needs. Feel free to contact us on contact details mentioned below in case you face any difficulty. Thank you.